Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Viva Events live presentation. Viva Events believes in customizing a unique, one-of-a-kind affair. Our commitment to customer service is unmatched. Viva Events has been in business for over 20 years and has been the recipient of the DJ Times Magazine Entertainment Company of the Year. Viva Events was also featured on the We Network's My Fair Wedding, as well as Platinum Weddings. We are dedicated to exceeding your expectations. Viva Events is also a fully insured professional company, entertaining and producing memories for well over 2 decades. We take a personal interest in the success of your special event and pay close attention to every detail. Our staff consists of experienced, polished professionals who are always determined to deliver a stellar performance.
Put your hands up in the air. 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 Put your hands up in the air.